Hey there, fellow wanderers, and welcome back to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life podcast, where the coffee's hot, the stories are real, and the wheels are always pointed towards the horizon. I'm your host, Stan Cromlish, coming to you from my trusty Tiffin Allegro open road, Birdie B, with Rosie faithfully in tow. Well, usually charged and in tow. Whether you're parked lakeside, nestled in the mountains, or rolling down a back road somewhere out west, grab your mug, settle in, and let's wander together. This week, I'm parked at the Sweetwater Events Complex in Rock Springs, Wyoming, for the Tiffin Allegro Club Riding the Range Mega Rally. And let me tell you, between the wind, the wrenching, and the wisdom, it's been a full week of fixing, learning, and laughing. Let's dive in. Now, if you've been following along, you know RV maintenance isn't always glamorous, but it is necessary. I had my water heater serviced this week by the fine folks at Kleen Tank of North Carolina, one of my most trusted partners, and now unofficial urologists. Y'all, I'm not exaggerating when I say what came out of that water heater looked like I was farming kidney stones in there. Years of calcium buildup poured out like a rock slide from Yellowstone. Birdie B's grade? A solid D. Not an F, only because there was no corrosion. Should have cleaned it a year ago. Lesson learned. Big thanks to Kleen Tank, not only for the cleanup, but for not judging too harshly. And yes, I'll be putting flush water heater higher up on the to-do list next time. Speaking of overdue maintenance, I had Roadmaster do one of their free rally inspections of my tow bar. Boy, am I glad I did. They found an issue. Now, I hadn't noticed anything wrong while driving, but they spotted it before it turned into something expensive or dangerous. And better yet, they fixed it under warranty. While they were at it, my faithful Equinox tow car, Rosie, got a new charge line and a new front plug. We're hoping this solves the mystery of the dead battery saga once and for all. Because nothing ruins a scenic stop faster than realizing your tow car is more brick than vehicle. That's one of the reasons I always recommend attending rallies like this. There's a peace of mind in knowing your gear's been looked over by people who know it better than you do. Now let's talk Wyoming wind. I swear, I didn't feel a breeze below 30 miles an hour while I've been here. The locals don't even blink unless their hats are flying sideways. Luckily, I had ShadePro on site. They came out and adjusted the tension on my slide toppers. No more flapping like I'm trying to signal planes from the prairie. And they're installing new interior shades inside Birdie B. It's going to make a world of difference in comfort and energy efficiency. Just another reason I trust ShadePro. Professional, thorough, and they always treat my coach like it's their own. I was there that week representing TechnoRV as part of their brand new podcast, On the Road with TechnoRV. It's both an audio and video show, and you can catch it on all the big podcast platforms, and of course, on YouTube. We've been recording, editing, and sharing tech tips and stories all week from right here in the heart of that rally. And speaking of knowledge, one of the best things about these rallies are the seminars. Whether you're a full-timer, a weekender, or just dreaming of the RV life, these sessions are gold. Electrical systems, water management, solar tips, safety, and of course, RV tech. You name it, there's a class on it. I always say, education is the key to RV enjoyment. The more you understand your rig, the less stressful life on the road becomes. For a little extra fun, I'm jumping into the learn2rv.com scavenger hunt. It's open to anyone who RVs, and it's a blast. Think of it like a campfire version of the Amazing Race, just with fewer passports and more propane. It's just another way the RV community stays connected, sharp, and laughing together. So if you're considering attending a rally, do it. It's a chance to take care of long overdue maintenance, learn from experts, and connect with the community that makes this lifestyle so rewarding. Between the laughs, the learning, and even the gusty Wyoming winds, this week's been a reminder that this lifestyle, while not always easy, is always worth it. That's going to do it for today's episode, fellow wanderers. If you enjoyed riding along, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you never miss an episode. And if you want to see the adventures unfold in real time, be sure to follow us on YouTube and connect on social media. Just search Wandering Gypsy RV Life on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Until next time, keep your campfire warm, your coffee strong, and always remember, not all who wander are lost. See you down the road.